How to import module when module name has a dash, dash or hyphen in it. I want to import foobar.py, this works. This does not. My question, is there any way that I can use the above format, i.e., from foobar import asterisk to import a module that has a in it?
Starting from Python 3.1, you can use import lib. This URL.
In Python 2, you can't. Foobar is not an identifier. Rename the file to foo_bar.py. It's possible since Python 3.1+. See Julian's answer. If import is not your goal, as in, you don't care what happens with system.modules, you don't need it to import itself, just getting all of the file's globals into your own scope, you can use execfile.
Solution. If you can't rename the module to match Python naming conventions, create a new module to act as an intermediary. New module foo_proxy.py. Module doing the import main.py.
If you can't rename the original file, you could also use a symlink. Then you can just do
Like others said, you can't use a in Python naming. There are many workarounds. One such workaround which would be useful if you had to add multiple modules from a path is using system.path. For example, if your structure is like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.